सोनाली। सबकी प्यारी। I'm always showered with love and affection from everyone. और ये है जय। Extremely special to me. And this is Raj.
Shonali, you don't know me. I sit here in my dark corner, wanting my hands stained red, stained with your warm blood, wishing I could choke you till you're dead. There are many ways to destroy you, Shonali. I have thought of them all. But it's hard to make a choice. Shall I just nail your head to a wall? I want to destroy you, yes, and burn you like a witch. Yes, yes, that's what I will do. My plans won't have a glitch. Shonali? Shonali? Go ahead and run. I'll even give you a head start. You know, but it won't help. Because killing you, because destroying you will be my art. I sit here in my dark corner, wanting my hands stained red. I'll stain them with your warm blood, wishing I can choke you till you are dead. Shonali, now you are dead. Dead. Dead.
I know to perform an act like this is not easy, and let Sharbani just hold her emotions. कुछ समय पहले मैं अखबार पढ़ रहा था और मैंने वहाँ पर मैट्रिमोनियल कॉलम्स देखे. अभी आप सोच लोगे मैं क्या देख रहा था मैट्रिमोनियल कॉलम्स में. वेल, आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग और उसमें लिखा था गोरी, सुंदर, पढ़ी लिखी लड़की चाहिए. तो लड़कियां जो सावली हैं या लड़कियां जो काली हैं उनका तो शायद नंबर नहीं लगेगा, और जो एसिड अटैक वाली हैं उनका तो कभी भी नहीं लगेगा। पर आप जानते हैं हमारे शास्त्र क्या कहते हैं अबाउट, आप जब लड़का लड़की देखने जाते हैं तो आपको क्या देखना चाहिए? हमारे शास्त्र कहते हैं ओम गुणम पृच्छस्व मारूपम शीलम पृच्छस्व मा कुलम सिद्धि पृच्छस्व मा विद्या भोगम पृच्छस्व मा धनम। मतलब आप गुण देखिए, सूरत नहीं। गुणों के लिए पूछिए, सूरत के लिए नहीं पूछिए। आप चरित्र के लिए पूछिए, परिवार कैसा है वो नहीं। कितनी उपलब्धियां हैं ये पूछिए, कहाँ तक पढ़ाई की है वो नहीं। और मन में कितनी संतुष्टि है ये पूछिए, जेब में कितना पैसा है ये नहीं। तभी आपको एक सही पार्टनर जिंदगी का मिल पाएगा। ये कहते हैं। शिवानी, mic is for you. I know it was not easy. Just quickly, how do you feel performing this here at Bekhof Baatein for Smita ji and the entire group that's here?
Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you, Smita ji and the Bekhof Baatein group. Still in that whole feel of the character, actually, Sandeep has conceptualized it. And I thank him for that, because thinking of me being a part of this act, trust me, it's not easy. For me as an artist, it wasn't easy. You think of the survivors, what they have gone through, you don't want to even think about it. My dear friend Sandeep has written a small poem for the survivors, which I would like to read to all of you. मेरे चेहरे पर नहीं, मेरे चेहरे पर नहीं, मेरे सपनों पर तेजाब गिराया था। मेरे चेहरे पर नहीं, मेरे सपनों पर तेजाब गिराया था। मेरा जिंदा जिस्म को मगर मैं राख नहीं, मगर मैं राख नहीं, फिर से जलता हुआ उजाला हूं। मगर मैं राख नहीं, फिर से जलता हुआ उजाला हूं। मैं अपनी ही राख से जन्मा हुआ एक सितारा हूं। मेरा चेहरा बदला है, मेरा चेहरा बदला है, मगर हौसला नहीं बदला। मेरा चेहरा बदला है, मगर हौसला नहीं बदला। मेरी पहचान चेहरा नहीं, मेरा साहस है, ये सच नहीं बदला। मैं बदसूरत नहीं, मैं बदसूरत नहीं, संघर्ष का सबसे सुंदर चेहरा हूं। मैं एसिड अटैक सर्वाइवर नहीं, जिंदगी का दोबारा जन्मा हुआ सवेरा हूं। जिंदगी का दोबारा जन्मा हुआ सवेरा हूं।
I would like to now call on the stage Purva ji. She's heading one of the core committee members from Atijeevan Foundation. With her, there are two lovely ladies who are the acid attack survivors. Ma'am, may I please invite you here on stage with both the girls. And one of them is 19 years old, and she has come from UP, and directly from the hospital, she's here to be with all of us. So please give them a very big hand, everybody.
Thank you, everyone. I think I'll just give Nisha 5 minutes to relax. Meanwhile, there's something that Pragya ji has prepared which she wants me to say. Mrs. Pragya Prasoon is our founder and she's an acid attack survivor herself. But that is not how I want to introduce her. She is a Nari Shakti Winner Award. She has been awarded by the President himself, by the Prime Minister himself. And that is how I want all of you to remember her when you leave. So I'll just say what she's told me. So when we think about wounds, we usually think about physical pain. You know, we think that some wounds are going to leave a physical impact, a physical scar. Some would probably have an emotional impact. Some would have a mental health impact. And some would drain us financially. Now for these acid attack survivors, this wound does all of these things and keeps doing it for the rest of their life. Imagine having to go through multiple surgeries, having to think of all the medical bills, fighting a long legal battle, and then thinking, will this society, the same society that let this happen to me, will this society ever accept me? The fight that they go through every day, hope and resilience, acceptance and despair, this is their daily life. And from all of that, it's not a phase, that is their reality. And nobody should have to build that reality alone. And that is why Atijeevan exists. And that is why all of us are here today. I think everyone sitting here already understands that everyone should be treated with dignity. And just because some people's journeys takes greater empathy and support, they shouldn't be treated different because of that reason. And you know, Nisha, so this is also Nisha and this is also Nisha. They are a part of Atijeevan family. Atijeevan has been around since last 15 years. Pragya ji has been at the heart of this mission and we have been very grateful that under her leadership, we have been able to work with 500 plus survivors. She has built meaningful relationships and collaborations with doctors and researchers across the countries. She has been working tirelessly to research and to get a breakthrough in burn care survivors. You know, the amazing thing is that they actually found one. So here is something that I want everyone to take and tell everyone that you can donate your amniotic membrane which occurs during the childbirth. Now for a woman, it is actually medical waste, but for a burn survivor, it can mean less surgeries, it can mean less pain, it can mean better healing. So, you know, something very small that we as women can do, which can be so good for them. Another thing that we have been working on is skin donation. So every time we give up, we just give up, right, our body. But that body, our organs, and so our skin also can be used for the burn survivors. So please everyone take the pledge to become skin donors after your passing. And while you're alive, there are little things that you can do. Please everyone choose a mentor, choose a survivor to mentor, hire a survivor, teach them a skill that you can on your weekends, just an hour or so on a video call, even that helps. Financial inclusion is the biggest kind of inclusion that there can be. So they have all started their own venture called Ibas. Please go online and buy from it. Join our mission and I think Nisha, can you speak now?
जी सभी लोग से मैं हाय नमस्ते करती हूँ। मैं पहली बार यहाँ पे आई हूँ। सो मैं यूपी से आई हूँ। यहाँ पे आई थी, मैंने ट्रीटमेंट कराने, मेरी सर्जरी हुई थी। फिर मेरी छाव फाउंडेशन ग्रुप NGO मेरे को सपोर्ट की। फिर यहाँ पे मुझे मैं बुलाई हैं, फिर यहाँ पे लेके आई। मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि मैं अपने फेस को देखे मुझे बहुत रोना आता था और मैं बाहर किसी के सामने नहीं निकलती थी। आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि इतने लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं, बल्कि मेरे उधर फेस को लोग बहुत कमेंट करते हैं ऐसा वैसा। फिर मैं 1 साल से मेरा हो गया है एसिड अटैक, फिर मेरी गलती नहीं है, फिर भी मैं अपना फेस 1 साल से छुपा ही रही हूँ। गलती तो उन लोग की है जिसने बिना कोई गलती के बिना वजह के मेरे पे एसिड अटैक फेंक दिए कि ये किसी लायक नहीं रहेगी। अरे मेरे फेस ही ना भी जलाए हैं, बाकी मेरे अंदर का जो गुण है, जो कला है, वो नहीं ना जलाए हैं। इसीलिए जी मैं 12th में ही बोर्ड का एग्ज़ाम दे रही थी, तभी मेरे ऊपर 1 साल से वो लड़का मेरे पीछे पड़ा हुआ था। फिर मैं उसको गाली दी, इग्नोर की, फिर उसने गुस्से में आके मेरे को डाल दिया। अभी तक वो जेल में है। और फिर मैं 12th तक पढ़ी हूँ, 12th मेरा पेपर कंप्लीट हो गया था, तभी मेरे ऊपर एसिड अटैक हुआ था। और फिर आगे से मेरा 1 साल मेरा पढ़ाई हर एक चीज़ बर्बाद हो गया। फिर मैं आगे का मुझे हौसला मिलेगा, अभी जैसे मैम लोग हैं और लोगों से हौसला मिलेगा, तो मुझे थोड़ा अपने आप को अंदर का और हिम्मत मिलेगा, मैं आगे कुछ कर पाऊँगी। क्योंकि मैं अंदर से मेरे साथ ये वो मैं टूट चुकी थी। अभी मिला है सपोर्ट, तो मैं थोड़ा मुझे अंदर हिम्मत मिल रही है। बाकी हमारे उधर तो शहर में ऐसा फेस को लेके नहीं होता, बट हमारे उधर फेस को लेके बहुत सारे कमेंट करते हैं, ऐसी कौन शादी करेगा, इसको कौन रखेगा, इसको। मैं कई बार अपने आप को सुसाइड भी करने की
Thank you everyone. A special thank you to the organizers who always create a platform for such meaningful conversations, and a heartfelt thank you to you Sandeep and to you ma'am. Every year, everything that you do for us and the survivors, we are very grateful.